Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Science for Everyone. Today I will discuss a very important topic with you people. And in this topic, I will discuss that which is the best book to study medical microbiology. It is very much important for the students that are studying microbiology, and even it is very much important for those students who are currently studying MBBS and MD. Okay, and I want to tell you guys that the book that I am showing in this video is very much authentic, and most of the professors have told me that when they are making MCQs for different competitive exams, so they are using this book that I will show you in the later in a few minutes. So basically, there are many books that is related to medical microbiology, and I'm not saying that they are not good. They are also good. But this book, I am as a microbiology student, I am studying this book, and it is very much easy. The vocabulary, the sentences, the grammar that is used in this that are used in these books is very much easy and understandable. So it came to my mind that I should share it with my viewers that if there are some students that are studying microbiology, or they are studying MBBS or MD, or even other fields that is related to allied sciences, health sciences, so they should buy this book and start studying this book. And I want to tell you guys that what is medical microbiology. So it consists of all the bacteria, the viruses, the fungi, the parasites, the protists that are causing infections to the human being. So all these are discussed in the medical microbiology. The infections, the type of infection that are caused by these organisms, and how these infections are diagnosed by different procedures and how they are treated. So these all are included in medical microbiology. So let's start and the video, and now I will show you the book that I am studying, and it is very much authentic. Okay. This is the front page of the book that I have told you guys. This is the front page, and it is written by a special organization, or it is also known as a board that is known as McGraw Hills. Means that I think you people are known to this because these are also having yeah, a channel on the YouTube, and they are delivering different lectures related to medical microbiology and other field of science. Okay, so this is written by McGraw-Hill Lang organization, or even I think it is a board. Okay, just like the board that are used in the Pakistan federal board or different other type of board. So it is also a type of board, and this is the cover page of the book, and it is the I have the latest edition, and I'm having it in the soft form. Okay, so you can identify this book, and I want to tell you guys that it is a very much important information that I'm sharing with you. That just look here. Here are some names of the countries: New York, Chicago, San Francisco, and other Mexico City, up till to Toronto. So I want to tell you guys that this book can only be purchased in these countries. Okay, those countries that are not included in this list, in those countries, this book cannot be purchased. So if you are not, if your country is not included in this list, so just if you are having relatives that are present in these countries, or friends, so you can call them, and you can ask them to you can ask them to buy this book for you people and courier to you. Okay, and I think this book is present in countries that is not related to these this list, but you should be it is a kind of that they are selling it in a black, and mostly the copies are pirated copy. Okay, so the best and the authentic copy, and that is used in these countries. Okay, so this is the front page, and this is a small information that I am telling to you guys. Now I will tell you that what is basically inside this book. Okay, so I want to tell you guys that this book consists of just look here, a 7 section. In the first section, it is known as the fundamental of microbiology. It consists of 7 chapters, and all the basics of microbiology is present in this section. If I scroll it down quickly, so you will know the chapter number 1, the science of microbiology, the scope of microbiology. So it consists of these. This chapter consists of this. What is prokaryotes? What is eukaryotes? All consist of is used in this book. And I want to tell you guys that this book is very much important in this point of view, that at the last of the chapter there are MCQs that are from the chapter that have used that is studied by you. Okay, so when you study this chapter, so after that you can easily attempt these MCQs. And I'm again telling you that this MCQs and even the MCQs are made from these books, and my professor also told me that we are making MCQs from this book for competitive exams. Okay, and at the last, an answer key is also present. This answer key, that is the answer to these question, the upper question. So first you have to attempt these MCQs, and after that you should compare your answer with this answer key. Okay. The second chapter consists of the cell structure, the prokaryotic cell structure, what are microscope, all this include the fundamental of microbiology. And after that, if I go to the third chapter, so wait a minute, it is taking some time. Okay, so this is the all about the cell structure, and after that the classification of bacteria. And in short, all the chapters in the 7 chapters include all the basics of microbiology. Biology. Growth, survival, and death of microorganism. Chapter number 4 is um, and chapter number 5, if I want to show you, so this is about the cultivation of microorganism, how you can cultivate microorganism in the lab. So chapter number 5 is about this. Okay, after that, chapter number 6 is about the microbial metabolism, the glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, the electron transport chain, and other biochemistry. The important cycles, the metabolic cycles, are included in this chapter, microbial metabolism. The 7th chapter is consist of the molecular microbiology, the microbial genetics of the microorganism. Okay, so different about the DNA, the RNA, the DNA replication, the transfer RNA, all are included in this chapter. So as I have told you that the section number 1 consists of 7 chapters, and it is all about the cell structure and all the basics of medical microbiology. And after that, the second section consists of the immunology, because if you want to get expertise in medical microbiology, so you should know to the immunity of the human beings. Okay, the innate immune system, the adaptive immune system, all is included in this chapter. So I want to tell you guys that in microbiology there is a special subject that is known as immunology. So you can cover your immunology portion from this chapter. Okay, after that, pathogenesis of bacterial infection, the section number 3. Section number 3 consists of the bacteriology, and bacteriology means that all the infection that are caused by the bacteria. Okay, so this chapter consists of the bacteriology. So there is a certain topic in the BS microbiology, in the bachelors of microbiology, that bacteriology, it consists of a special subject that is known as bacteriology. So all the important and the relevant information, you can study it from this section, the bacteriology. So all the infections and its diagnosis, all are included in this section, the bacteriology. If I scroll it down, so just look here, it consists of the toxin, the exotoxin, the other endotoxin, and after that normal human microbiota. And after that, another chapter is about the spore forming gram positive bacillus. So all the bacteria that are causing infection are included, and after that, in the last, their infections are also included. And I want to tell you guys that very much easy and clear images are also here in this book, so you can understand it well. Okay, After that, all the non-spore forming bacteria, the spore forming bacteria, the bacillus, the bacilli, the cocci, all the bacteria are included in this. Just look here. If I want to share you guys that we are taking the Corynebacterium diphtheria, okay. So how it is, how this is introduced. First, the morphology is and the identification is introduced. After that, the pathogenesis of it is included, and after that, the pathology, the clinical finding, that how you will find this bacteria, what are the laboratory tests, okay. And after that, the resistance and the immunity, and the treatment and the epidemiology. And after that, this is all about the Corynebacterium diphtheria. So I'm telling you again and again that if there is a certain bacteria and it is causing infection, so all the life cycle, the epidemiology, the diseases it caused, the infection, the treatment, all is included in this book. So you can, if you can easily get all the information about a specific bacteria, okay. Just like bacteriology, there is a section that is known as virology, and in virology, I want to tell you guys that just like bacteriology, all are in all the life cycle, the treatment, the diagnostic, the laboratory test, all are present in this section, and it is related to virology. So there is a special subject in the microbiology that is known as the virology. So all the virology can be covered from this section. After that, there is fifth number section, mycology. So there is also a special subject in the microbiology that is known as the mycology. Mycology means the study of the fungi. So all the mycology related information can be covered through this section. After that, the parasitology. So just like the virology, bacteriology, and mycology, there is also a special subject that is known as the parasitology in the field of microbiology. So you can cover this from this book, okay. After that, at the last, the diagnostic medical microbiology, or how you will diagnose these, how you will, it means that how you will diagnose different medical diseases, okay. So here all are the procedure, the laboratory procedure are present in this section, okay. So this means that not only medical microbiology can be covered from this book, even the immunology, the bacteriology, the fundamental of microbiology, the virology, the mycology, and the parasitology, and the clinical microbiology can be covered from this book, okay. So I have studied it, and I'm also studying it nowadays. So it is very much easy and understandable, and I will make sure to make videos over different diseases that I am studying in this book, so it will be more easier to you, okay. So again and again, I'm telling you, if you want to buy this book, so you can easily buy it, because and it is not a wastage of money, because it is very much easy and authentic, and then you will be happy, because most of the MCQs are also coming from this book, as I have told you in the earlier video, okay. So this was all about this book. If you want to download this book, I have downloaded it from a website. The website is there, I think you may know, the B if I write those names, so just type wait a minute, does open your Google Chrome and type B dash dot okay dot org. I think this is the website. Just click it, and you will find this book. Just write medical microbiology in the search box, and you will find this book and download it from there, okay. b.ok.org is the website. So download it from there. And if you are not having the access, you cannot buy this book, because I think it is a bit it is a big I think it is not that much cheaper, okay. So you can then print out if you want to study the microbiology, sorry, the virology section. So just take print out of that portion, okay. So it can be easy for you. And that is all for the today's video. If you have any further question related to this, so you can ask me in the comment box. I will answer you there. So thank you very much. God bless you.